Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'll be teaching you how to make this coconut flavored buns. This is a well-detailed video. Trust me, you will love this one. Just sit back and relax, okay? In a bowl, add flour, sugar, and coconut cream powder. This is what the coconut cream powder looks like. You can get it from any shop around you. For that coconutty flavor, I used 3 tablespoons of the coconut cream powder. Add in some nutmeg, and this is what it looks like. So mix everything together to well combined. Don't forget to add some baking powder. I lost the clip where I added it. At this point, you want to add in some butter. Mix it all together with the dry ingredients until you have a crumbly texture like this. Once you're done, you just want to set this aside so we can mix our wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, you want to crack in 1 egg. Remember, we are making coconut flavored buns, so instead of vanilla essence, we are going to be using coconut flavoring essence. Add some water. Don't worry, the full list of ingredients will be in the description box. Now mix everything to well combined. You also want to set this aside. Bring back the dry ingredients, make a hole in the middle, and pour in the wet ingredients, just like you can see me doing. If you've not been to the gym recently, I think it's time for some arm workouts, because you want to mix everything to well combined, and it should have this smooth and stretchy consistency just like this. I know you've watched up to this point. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. To my returning subscribers, I want to say thank you. If you are new here, please let me know in the comment section and I will give you a shout out. While the batter is resting, please let it rest for at least 10 minutes. You want to heat up some vegetable oil. Now do a test to check if the oil is at the right temperature by adding a tiny portion of the batter to the oil. If it floats to the top, then you can start frying. Please don't skip this step, it's very important. Use your hands to drop small portion of the batter into the oil, just like you can see me doing, and it should float right to the top, just like this. Make sure you are frying in small batches and don't overcrowd the pot. Another secret to getting this round shape is make sure you are deep frying. You don't want to shallow fry it. You are deep frying so that it can come to the top like this. Add enough oil to your pot when frying. Fry until golden brown, 2 to 3 minutes on all sides, and this is what you should have. Make sure you're turning the buns occasionally at all times so it doesn't brown on one side, leaving other parts uncooked. Remove the buns and drain on a paper towel to remove excess oil. Allow it to cool slightly before serving. Now enjoy your perfect coconut buns with friends and families. Would you be trying this recipe? Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye.